Hello everyone. I have been using the Cuckoo electric rice cooker for the past 10 days. Cuckoo is one of the leading brands in South Korea. Today, I am here to share my experience of using Cuckoo electric rice cooker over traditional pressure cooker and generic electric rice cooker. So let's start with the cooking experience. One of the biggest issues I have faced with traditional pressure cooker is inconsistent cooking. Traditional pressure cooker require constant monitoring, counting whistles, and if you miss one, you end up with lumpy, burnt, or overcooked rice. On the other hand, generic electric rice cookers heat only from the bottom, leading to uneven rice cooking. Now, with the Cuckoo electric rice cooker, the problem is completely resolved. It has 3D heating technology, making sure that the rice is evenly cooked every time. Using the included measuring cup for rice and pot's clear markings for water, I have achieved perfectly cooked rice 10 out of 10 times without any hassle. Plus, it has an auto cut feature and special warm mode which keeps your rice fresh and nutrient rich for up to 8 hours. So no worries for leftover rice. While in traditional rice cookers, the leftover rice is either needed to be reheated, which is not a very healthy option. This means no more lumpy or leftovers and a warm meal ready even with my busy lifestyle. After cooking, when it comes to clean the cooker, rice often gets stuck to the top, making it a nightmare to clean. In the generic electric cooker, the upper lid isn't removable, which again makes it difficult to clean. The only option we have is to wipe it clean with wet clothes, which is not very hygienic. In longer run, it can create unpleasant smell affecting the cooked rice quality as well. On the other hand, the Cuckoo rice cooker with its removable lid, which I haven't seen in any rice cooker available in India. See this non-stick pot, which is super easy to clean and maintain the hygiene. This simple feature has saved me a lot of time and effort. For me, safety is also a major concern. Traditional pressure cookers uses open flames, making the kitchen unbearable. Generic electric rice cookers often get dangerously hot on the outside as they lack proper insulation and may cause burns. Now talking about the Cuckoo rice cooker, it's certified by the Bureau of Indian Standards, which ensures it meets high safety standards. It offers flameless cooking with a heat-insulated body that remains cool to touch. This makes it safe to use around kids and elderly family members. Plus, it's eco-friendly and economical, operating at just 700 watts in cooking mode and 60 watts in warm mode, making it better for both the environment and your wallet. Cuckoo electric rice cooker also comes with a multi-purpose steaming tray. Now, at the same time, I can cook rice and steam vegetables, saving my time and energy. To sum it up, this Cuckoo electric rice cooker offers convenience, safety, and efficiency. I will definitely recommend it to anyone who are looking to upgrade their kitchen. Thank you for watching.